Have you ever wondered how safe your personal data, passwords, or even your company's network really is? In 2025, hackers are no longer just coding malware, and they're using artificial intelligence to power their attacks. But guess what? The defense is getting smarter too. In today's video, we'll break down two of the most powerful tools in modern cybersecurity: AI-driven security and the Zero Trust Mesh model. Explained simply, with real-world examples. Cyber threats in 2025. Cyber threats today are faster, smarter, and more dangerous than ever. Phishing emails are auto-generated by AI. Deepfake audio is being used to impersonate CEOs. Ransomware doesn't just lock your files, it publicly extorts entire companies. In 2024, the average cost of a data breach hit $4.45 million. And it's only getting worse. What is AI-driven cybersecurity? AI-driven cybersecurity means using machine learning and automation to predict, detect, and respond to threats faster than any human team can. Use cases: email filters that block never-before-seen phishing attacks, real-time fraud detection in online banking, behavioral analysis. If someone logs in from an unusual location or time, AI flags it instantly. AI doesn't just monitor, it reacts. It isolates compromised systems, triggers auto-responses, and even patches vulnerabilities in real time. What is Zero Trust Mesh? Traditionally, if you logged into a company's network, you could access most things inside. But that's outdated and dangerous. Zero Trust means never trust. Always verify. No user or device gets automatic access, not even inside the network. Zero Trust Mesh takes this even further. It creates a distributed security model where each device, user, and app is independently secured and continuously verified. Think of it like airport security. Every gate checks your ID. Every terminal has its own access control. AI plus Zero Trust together. Now here's where things get powerful. When AI meets Zero Trust Mesh, AI detects the threat. Zero Trust Mesh prevents it from spreading. Example: let's say an employee suddenly logs in from another country at midnight. AI picks up the anomaly. Zero Trust immediately limits access or blocks it altogether without any human delay. Together, this creates an adaptive, intelligent, and ultra-secure defense system. Conclusion: AI-driven cybersecurity and Zero Trust Mesh aren't just buzzwords, and they're essential for protecting your digital life in 2025 and beyond. If you're a developer, IT professional, or business owner, now is the time to understand and adopt these systems. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and tell us in the comments, is your organization ready for Zero Trust? And for more deep dives into future tech, AI tools, and cybersecurity trends, subscribe and hit the bell icon.